Good day, sir. We discuss about watertight bulkheads. Introduction. Watertight bulkheads are essential for preventing flooding and maintaining ship stability as required by the SOLAS Convention under the International Maritime Organization. Purpose: to divide the ship into separate watertight compartments, preventing the spread of flooding if the hull is damaged, thereby maintaining buoyancy and stability to ensure the ship remains afloat and safe. Construction: built of steel or approved equivalent material designed to withstand maximum water pressure with proper stiffening. Extend from the bottom to the bulkhead deck.
Required bulkheads: collision bulkheads forward and no openings allowed below deck except essential piping. A watertight bulkhead that forward part of the ship that preventing flooding from spreading if the bow is damaged. After peak bulkhead includes stern area. A bulkhead that includes the after peak tank and protect the ship from flooding at the rear. Machinery bulkhead at both ends of engine room. Machinery bulkhead located at both ends of the engine room that isolate machinery space to limit flooding or fire spread. Openings and testing. Watertight doors must be operable from both sides and control station. Must be operable from both sides and control station to allow quick response during emergency. Penetration pipes cable must maintain tightness, tested by water pressure or hose tested to ensure integrity. Must be properly sealed to maintain watertight integrity and prevent leaks. Tested by water pressure. Conclusion: proper construction and maintenance of watertight bulkhead ensures safety by limit water increase and protecting the vessel. Properly constructed and maintaining the watertight bulkhead enhance ship safety by containing flooding, preserving stability, and preventing the vessel from the sinking.